For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization out and out. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on Flexa network, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a definite AMP price prediction referenced here. A definitive target of this token being unequivocally something similar to ensure exchanges and intrinsic information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the accommodation of trading in fiat or some other advanced monetary standards. What makes AMP unique? Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and insure on any type of significant worth trade, be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit circulations, property deals. From there, the sky is the limit. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Flexa organization and consensus. A thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and such comparative innovations. AMP token, the lesser-known facts. A significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to an exceptional expansion in the quantity of diggers. Upheld by a powerful and high transfer speed public blockchain stage, the issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching false or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token and it goes about as insurance for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa network and such comparative innovations. The groundwork of AMP is completely dependent on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or a message on the other party associated with the exchange. Consequently, security hindrances are captured first. A striking trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This recognizable characteristic makes it remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in executing savvy agreements and move reserves. AMP token, technical analysis. Going by the specialized examination, AMP cost has had a memorable journey since its send-off, which could be the fundamental justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.05174, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91 with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of verifiable information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039. From that point forward, it kept on exchanging respectively till June. On June 16, AMP recorded an unequaled high of $0.1211. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to $0.039. Right now, in July, the token stamped impressive recuperation and keeps on exchanging around $0.073. It was low when contrasted with every one of the coins. AMP price forecast, 2022 to 2026. The vertical pattern has been anticipated simply on the benefits of AMP viz. Security and reliability. AMP is a computerized security token that offers irrefutable confirmations collateralization for a steam move. A further impact on costs for this guarantee token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary establishments and security token financial backers in the long haul. Crypto positions as one of the main 50 digital currencies, and with this it will unquestionably arrive at new levels. Considering the pandemic and vulnerability winning around it, the money section has endured a significant shock, taking the deficiency of countries to an incredible undeniable level in any event, for created nations like the USA. EMP Price Prediction 2022. There is no certain shot digital money estimate for any of the current AMP crypto coins, thus for AMP conjecture. Taking into account the verifiable information and digital money markets, AMP is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and dealers' local area. AMP might support an uplifting perspective as long as the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the speculation counsel, or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $0.097. EMP Price Prediction 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, dependable biological system and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the AMP with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of 11 cents per coin. If the drive for practical AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Furthermore, consequently, as per AMP's cost forecast 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to acquire great return from here on out. EMP Price Prediction 2024. Many hypotheses are going ahead for AMP. Particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on, there is a figure that the AMP cost might reach 14 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The intriguing special endeavors might wrap up, making the clients gather the additions. EMP Price Prediction 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by the geniuses. Over the course of the following 5 years, the token is set to quit slacking with other digital forms of money to show up at a cost of 17 cents. A stunning positive thinking is anticipated for AMP primarily because of its predictable presentation throughout the following 4 years. Thus, dealers ought to allude to our AMP gauge before they put resources into AMP. EMP Price Prediction 2026. In the event that the market turns positive, AMP cost is set to break all boundaries and perform abundantly, scaling the top sooner rather than later according to our conjecture. Violating all constraints throughout the following year,